The doors open today for the Sprout Quilt Challenge 2025. You won't want to miss this challenge. It is so much fun. This is our second year doing this quilt challenge. It is hosted by the Quilt Designers Collective, which I am a member of, and I am one of the designers for this challenge. The theme of this challenge is growing our roots. We wanted to explore traditional blocks and the history behind them. Each designer created their own color palette, and some of the designers even designed different layouts. So you can either choose one designer's color palette and another designer's layout. You get to make it your own or create your own palette. Every week we will be hosting 2 different Zoom sessions, one in the evening and one on the weekend. That way, if you want to participate in those and you can only come to evenings, you can come to those and you can share your block, share what you learned. It's all about community. And I have to say that last year we just got the most amazing response from the people who participated in the Zooms. The community is really what this is all about. And it's one of the things that makes this challenge so special, is the connection with all of you. Be sure to sign up for the Sprout Quilt Challenge before December 31st at midnight when the doors close. You'll be automatically entered to win a Yazzi bag with a retail value of $169.99. I'd love to see you win it, so be sure to sign up in the caption below. In addition to the weekly blocks and layouts that we'll be discussing, there are also chances to win other prizes. We have several sponsors that have been so generous to donate wonderful prizes. So you'll learn more about that in the emails that you'll get from us. And you don't want to miss out on these because they're good. If you think that Yazzi bag is good, wait till you see what some of the other prizes are for the different weeks that we're going to be hosting. Everyone at Quilt Designers Collective thanks you, and we look forward to seeing you in the Zooms. And until we see each other, happy stitching.